Hey yo guys, it's Rich TJB again. Guys, just have a short message, short motivation yan. Guys, so kajo guys, motor Rich TJB yang kamerim. So this is the reason why I make this video. Guys, osar no bona motho mo tseleng or mo kae or si wa mona situation ya ga ile tough background ya go e sa ema grand wa mona monyaje. Guys, please respect anyone that you see, whether or go moholo or monyane. Respect each other, guys, and help each other. Situations will change, guys. After 10 years situation I change. So I get this motivation from this video. Look at it.
In a scheming paisa lang na 28 years. Lang kala kona currently right now. I'm the youngest person paisa na lang kala kona. What's worse is kuti maungibheka ubona umlokisi ubona umuntu wasekhaya. But I'm judged for many reasons, and that doesn't even faze me because nase primary njengoba ngitshela wathi regional school nase high school I was always seen as umuntu ostudi nanani, I understand, but mawubheka mina ubona umlokisi. So the occupation or the job I do today, my 9 to 5 as they call it, that's why it's easier ukuthi bangicast as isigebengu or as intwana yase